Hello, everyone. My name is Filip, and with me I have Ilian. I'm studying the Y program here at Linköping University in my master's, and Ilian is studying the computer science engineering program here at the university in Linköping. And together we worked on this IoT battery surveillance remote device for Alelion Energy Systems out in Gothenburg. Alelion produces industrial batteries and wanted a solution for surveilling their batteries remotely for development purposes and for the customers to use as surveillance for their own batteries.
Yes, and that's basically the mission we were given, and for that we're given certain resources for us to test and build a prototype to see if it's even possible. And the resources we were given were, for instance, a Raspberry Pi for the actual communication to the server, the remote communication, and storage of the information in the Raspberry Pi. And with that, of course, we had to use a certain communication device, which is a 4G communication module we were using for the remote communication, and a CAN bus module to enable communication to the battery, since they use a CAN protocol in its battery management system. So we basically extracted information using the CAN protocol to the Raspberry Pi and stored it over there. And then after a certain time period, we used the 4G communication model to remotely send it to the server, where we displayed it in a good fashion.
Yes, so all in all, we finished a rudimentary product that surveilled the batteries and then sent information to the collected information from the batteries to a remote server where it was stored locally over 4G. And then we built a website that was just a local website. It wasn't deployed for surveilling this or for examining this data on the server. And this data was live and it was very well received. However, we had some problems with decryption, which we found was the hardest problem in this case. It's very hard to allow a lot of data to be transferred over 4G, since the more data you make accessible, the more vulnerable it becomes. But all in all, it was a very successful project, I think, and it was very well received. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.